So hello students, up to now we discussed chapter number 4 and now we will discuss about chapter number 5, that is editing a document. So in this chapter we will learn how can we undo and redo any action that we have performed in any document in MS Word, and we will also learn how can we select the specific word, a specific paragraph, the complete document, and we will also learn about how can we find and replace the text, and what is thesaurus, and how can we jump to a specific word, a specific page number, and we will also learn that how can we use the formatting non-printing characters, how can we display these characters. So let's see and look into this video the how can we perform specific actions and tasks in MS Word. So now in chapter number 5 we will discuss about undo and redo, selecting text, copying and pasting the text, moving the text, and we will discuss about find and replace and non-printing characters, checking spelling and grammars, and using thesaurus. So let's start first with undo and redo. So to use undo, we can use this symbol here. Look at the quick access toolbar. This button is used for undo, and next button is used to redo. So to check the effect of undo and redo buttons, suppose I click this word and I delete this word, first word, then we can get it back by pressing the undo button. So click on this undo button. Now this word video has been replaced. So this is used to undo the last action performed. Now we can click on this redo. Now this button, using this button, the last action performed has been reversed back. So this is the use of undo and redo. We can use two keys, that is Ctrl Z for undo. If I press Ctrl Z, then undo will be performed, and for redo I can use Ctrl Y. So we can use both the options, whether from the keyboard or from the quick access toolbar. Next we check selecting text. So how can we select a text? We can select a specific word, sentence, paragraph, large block of text, entire document, consecutive text, non-consecutive text, and vertical block of text. So let's see how to select a specific word. To select any word, just you have to double click on the specific word, then the word will be selected. So how to select a sentence? To select any sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. So suppose we want to select this first sentence. Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. So hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. So now the complete sentence is selected. And what to do to select a paragraph? To select a paragraph, triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Triple click anywhere in the paragraph. Then the whole paragraph will be selected. And to select a large block of text, what we have to do, click at the beginning of the text, press the shift, and without releasing it, click at the end of the text. Once again, click at the beginning of the text. To select a large block of text, click at the beginning of the text, hold down the shift key and click at the end of the text. So now the complete text is selected that I wanted to select using shift key and by clicking at the end of the text. Now to select entire document, what can we do? Click or press Ctrl A to select entire document. Next, non-consecutive text. How can we select non-consecutive? Non-consecutive means text which is not connected to each other, means that is separated text. So to select consecutive text, just hold down the Control key and select the words or text, whatever you like. Then suppose I have selected these words, then look at it, click anywhere, Control, now Control C and check it out, Control V for paste. So I had selected. Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point online and document. So these are pasted here. Now we discuss how can we select vertical block of text. If we have to select vertical text, then what can we do? So to select vertically, hold down the Control key and drag the left mouse button by clicking the left mouse button. So I have selected this portion. Now Control C, check it out, Control V. So this is vertical selection that I had selected. These words were selected using vertical selection. Okay. Now we will discuss how to copy and paste. To copy and paste, first select any word, any data. Suppose I have selected video and click on copy in the clipboard group. Here on the home tab, click on this copy, and to paste this data, click anywhere and then click on paste. Now the word video that was selected is pasted here. So once again, we can do this work without using the home tab. So to copy any data, suppose I have to copy it once again, then select it and press Ctrl C, and then to paste it, press Ctrl V. The same action can be performed using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Next, what can we do? Moving the text. How can we move the text? So move the text, select any word, any data. Suppose I have to select a paragraph, then to move it, click on cut. Click on cut on the home tab in the clipboard and then click on paste here on the same group, on the same home tab. Now this document has been, this text or paragraph has been moved to another place. Okay, we can do it using another method, that is we can move. Suppose I have to move this paragraph, press Ctrl X and Then click anywhere where you want to move your text, press Ctrl V. So this paragraph has been moved to another place. This is the second method. Okay. Next we discuss how can we find and replace. How can we use find and replace? To use find and replace text, click on find. Click on find drop down button in the editing group of the home tab. Now click on find. Here find. Now this navigation dialog box appears. So what we have to select, what we have to find, this shows the last search word document. Now click on advanced find and type the word. For example, I have to find the word here, the word the. I have to find the, and find next. Click the first, the has been found out. Next, find next. So you can see it shows the words that we have typed here in the find word. Find next, and find next. So the Microsoft Word has finished searching the document. We can find any other word. Click on more. We can find another word. For example, if I have to find another word, document. Then find this document appears here. Find next. Now Windows Word has finished the searching. Okay, in this way you can find. Suppose we have to replace this word, specific word, with another word, then we can replace. Click on replace, then another dialog box appears here, replace with. Click any word. Suppose I have to replace it with file. Type the word file and we can replace to all. Here you can see 3 replacements all done. 3 replacements have been done. So let's check it out. Now the document word has been replaced with file. Here it was document earlier, and you can also find out another word. This file has been replaced with, document has been replaced with file. 3 places, at the 3 places. Okay, now how to use thesaurus. How to use thesaurus. Thesaurus means we can find the synonym and antonym of any word. So click on any specific word and then click on thesaurus in the review tab. In the review tab, here on the review tab, here it is thesaurus. Now the synonyms of the word has been shown here. So we can insert the synonym of any word. For example, the first, click on this arrow and click on insert. Now the synonym of the file has been replaced. We can find any another word. We can select any another word and we can find the synonym of the specific word also. Now if we have to go to the specific page in the document, then what can we do? To go to the specific page or page number, click on page number available in the status bar. To go to the specific page number, click on the page number available on the status bar. Status bar. Page number. Okay, here. Find and replace into, click on go to. Click here on go to. Go to. Now type the page number. So I have typed here 2. Now click go to. Now check it out. This is page 2. Page 2 of our document. So in this way you can go to the specific page, jump to the specific page in your document. And now we discuss non-printing characters. So these are the characters which display the formatting of document, how the formatting has been done. These characters are not printed in the on the page. To find these non-printing characters, click on formatting mark. Click on this symbol, this here on the home tab. Click. Let's click, and the different symbols have appeared here. This symbol, this dot 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 in between the words you can find, and 0 here, this symbol, this symbol. Okay, this symbol. So these are non-printing characters in the document. So this symbol displays the first symbol displays paragraph mark, means here paragraph has been started. This first, this shows the paragraph, and this dot here, dot between the words shows, dot between the words shows space, how many times the space has been pressed. And this 0, this symbol after video, you can see 0. This displays the non-breaking space, non-breaking space. And another symbol, there are different kinds of symbols you can see. If you have to hide these symbols, then click on this symbol again. So these are non-printing characters. Checking spelling and grammar. So spelling and grammar, there are different rules, different symbols that shows spelling and grammar. Now you can see I have misspelled this word. Okay, and suppose I type here this specific word, look at it. So there is a blue wavy line here, and here is red wavy line, and there is another type of line, For example, you can see if I type here like this, and so you can see the blue line appeared here. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of these red and blue lines? The red lines shows the spelling mistake. Here you can see this is the spelling mistake, and blue line shows the incorrect use of correctly spelled word. So this dear word is correctly spelled, spelling is correct, but it's used wrongly, is used incorrectly. So these are the lines, wavy lines, which displays the grammar and spelling mistakes and improper use of the correctly spelled word. So to correct the spelling, click on the word that is a red wavy line and click the suggested word. Right click here, right click the word and click the suggested word like here style. So now this word has been replaced correctly. Now here right click here on the blue word, blue wavy line, and now click the specific word. So correct word is deer. So we must have used here DEAR, not DEER. Okay. Now here coordinated, the full stop. There was a gap between full stop. Okay. So you can, in this way, you can correct the spelling and grammar mistakes in your document. So this was all about chapter number 5, editing a document.